is going on? This is your boy Endless. Welcome to the Endless Routes YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on a really cool application called the Coin app. Basically what it does is, but before we get into that, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and the like button and the thumbs up. You thought I was going to start on the video already. Anyway, let's dive into the video. Well, the Coin app is an application that pays out in cryptocurrency that's used for walking, and I'm going to show you the screen of my phone here in just a moment. Right here is the app and what it looks like, and basically what happens is when you're walking, you can earn crypto by unlocking cool little boxes and stuff like that. So what I'll do is I'll take you over to the screen of my phone and I'll show you how it works. And if you like this app, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and also sign up with the link below. Every single time you sign up with my referral link of me doing a review, you are helping support the channel and the creators and the people that are on the back end of this. So every referral matters, and I really appreciate that. This is your boy Endless. Let's dive into the video. Alright, so here on the screen of my phone you can see the Coin app, and when we click on that and open it up, you can see the map of where I'm at over here. It's taken a second for my device to locate exactly where I'm at. But basically how this app works is that while you are walking, you see that square that we just claimed. As you walk into each square, you earn points, and those points can be redeemed for cryptocurrency, either the XYO token, Ethereum, or Bitcoin, or some other cool stuff. But as we're walking, we're unlocking those, and you can see me walking right now, and I'm unlocking those little blocks to earn some crypto. It's a really cool app. There are a couple different ways to earn. You can collect points every 3 hours, which is what's on the screen right now. You can unlock that and hit collect. Over there on the right hand side towards the middle, there's some gold coins. You can claim coins every 24 hours. That's just for holding on to the crypto. So you're constantly always earning with this app, which is really nice. Alright, so while you're walking around, you're earning points. There are a couple other ways that you can earn with this app. Up here towards the top left, you'll see 3 little blue diamonds or triangles. You can check into those, and if you're within the first 200 people, you'll earn some coins. I've earned quite a good bit of coins just for hitting check-ins. It's basically the first 200 people to click check-in on those will earn some points. Another way of earning also is if you hit the play button up there in the top left-hand corner. If you click on that button, you can view ads to earn rewards also. That's another very beneficial way of earning. So I won't show you that advertisement when I click on this, only because I don't want to get copyrighted or something, but if you hit play, it'll play the advertisement. Alright, so now as we've been walking, you can see the blue squares that we've unlocked. You're probably wondering, what are those orange squares over there on, the left and up top? Those are what they call geo drops. I actually dropped both of those there. Basically what a geo drop is when you drop coins that you've earned onto the map, and other users that are using the application can go to those geo mines and collect those coins. You can leave a message on there like, hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I'm pretty sure you guys are already subscribed, but you can also do that. You can leave little messages like, hey, have a great day, here's a little tip or something, as long as it's not hate related, religion, political stuff along the lines of that. Everybody be nice, leave some nice messages out there. But that's what you can do there. Now the other thing is too, you can check in every single day and earn rewards, which is another way of earning. So it's still a really cool app. There's not a really whole lot to this. You can take surveys, you can watch videos, there's offer walls on here, but for the most part I'm just testing out this app for walking and driving to see how much I can earn. There's been a lot of cool stories of people really changing their lives by using this app, which we'll cover on another video with that. So you're probably wondering, what can I cash out these points to? And I'm going to show you that right now. When you click up top in the middle where your points balance is, when you click on that, you can cash out for XYO token, you can cash out for Bitcoin or Ethereum. You do want to have a Coinbase wallet, which I'll also leave a link down in the description below if you need a crypto wallet. There's a bunch of other things that you can cash out for, like devices. There's all sorts of different things, coffee mugs, hats, PlayStations, I think, Xboxes. There's a bunch of different devices, and if you just scroll down through there, you can see them all. I'm not going to go one by one because there's a lot to choose from, but definitely check that out. That's what you can cash out your points to. So me personally, I'm cashing out for XYO token because a lot of people that have used this app, they find it very beneficial to cash out those rewards, hodl their XYO, and hope that it goes up. It's once been over 12 cents. It's currently a penny and a half right now, so that's over 10x if you think about it. So definitely cash out for what you feel is right. But anyway, that's the review of this app. I hope you really enjoyed this. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section below. Now, before we end the video, I just want to let you guys know that there are a couple devices that you can purchase with this app. For example, this is what they call a Sentinel, which is this right here. I'm going to have a separate video on this later on this month, detailing exactly how this works, where I got it from, different plans that you can do. This application is free to use, so just keep that in mind. It's definitely something that you want to have in your routine if you're walking or driving. A lot of people that are truck drivers or delivery drivers that drive over 50 to 100 miles a day, if not more, really benefit from this because they earn a lot of rewards back, and it helps put more money back in their pocket or build up their crypto portfolio. So definitely check that out. This isn't financial advice or anything like that, but definitely don't sleep on this app. If you have a cool phone that you can use this on, go on ahead and use it. I personally actually went out and purchased an extra phone, which is this one right here, with a brand new phone number and everything, because with my T-Mobile plan on the family plan, it's only $20, and I had an old iPhone laying around, so I went on ahead and I'm purposely testing this out for that so that I can keep this app up at all times. So I will continue to document and report all my findings with this app and how it's working out for me, and hopefully it's beneficial for you. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and more videos coming soon. This is your boy Endless. Y'all be good now. You hear? Peace.